This is it. The absolute pinnacle of gaming performance in 2025, an AMD Ryzen 99950X3D processor paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090. This machine is capable of pushing competitive frame rates at 4K and even 8K resolutions. It's a no-compromise, top-tier build for unadulterated speed and power. If you want to see how to build the fastest PC on the planet and find out if it's worth the small fortune, then stay tuned. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm the PC Master, and today we're undertaking an epic project, building what is arguably the best gaming PC in the world right now. We've spared no expense to select components that deliver maximum performance for gaming and demanding productivity tasks. In this video, I'll walk you through each part we selected, explain why it's a top choice, and then provide a full step-by-step guide on how to assemble it. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to build your own dream machine, or at least get some inspiration for your next upgrade. Okay, let's look at the heart and soul of this beast. Processor. We're using the AMD Ryzen 9950X3D. AMD's 3D V-Cache technology is a game-changer for gaming performance, and this chip offers the best of both worlds: elite gaming and serious productivity power. Next, we are going to talk about the graphics card. The star of the show, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090. This is the most powerful consumer GPU ever made. We're talking insane 4K performance with ray tracing enabled, pushing boundaries we previously only dreamed of. The motherboard, an MSIMA GX870E. Tomahawk provides a robust foundation. It supports PCIe Gen 5 for lightning-fast speeds and has great power delivery for overclocking potential down the line. Memory. We opted for 64 GB of DDR5 6400 from G-Skill. This amount is plenty for any game or heavy application you throw at it. Storage, a 2 TB PCIe Gen 5 NVMe SSD. Gen 5 speeds mean near instantaneous game loading and file transfers. We'll be installing the OS and core games here. Cooler and case. An Arctic liquid freezer 3 Pro 360 ARGBAIO liquid cooler to keep the CPU temperatures in check, and a spacious Havien HS420 case to ensure everything fits and gets proper airflow. Next, the power supply to power this monster, a Seasonic Prime TX1300W80 Plus Platinum PSU. Overkill. Maybe slightly, but we want stability and efficiency. Thank you for enjoying this amazing video. Please like and subscribe.